Okay, to begin with, let's go ahead and disconnect our AC adapter plug from our laptop computer. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and locate our laptop battery and remove it. Now, after you remove the laptop battery, we want to make sure that all the juice is out of your laptop, and we do this by um, depressing the power button for about 5 seconds, and that makes sure that there's no more juice in your laptop. At this point, we can go ahead and start to open up the back panels on your laptop computer. Right here is your disk, and your laptop memory is right in here. Sometimes there's a lid, but in this case it's not. I have to actually remove several panels here, and I'm going to do that quickly. Once I have all the screws unscrewed, I'm going to go ahead and pop the lid off the hard drive cover here. And as you can see, the hard drive is located right here. Now up here, the memory is located underneath this panel, and I'm going to pop the lid here. That allows us to see the hard drive, the fan, the CPU, and of course our memory. Now, to remove the memory stick, you press the little levers on each side here. It pops up like this, and you go ahead and pull it out. And what we want to take note of here is the little groove on the memory stick. All right, I'm using 4 gigabytes of memory, two gigabytes each. And the way you put it in is at about a 45-degree angle. And then you press down and it clips back in place. I also want to mention that there's normally only 2 memory slots available on most notebooks. Okay, let's go ahead and put this back together. Put the lid on top here, and with the magic of video editing, I can speed this up a little bit and screw those screws in really quick. Put my battery back in, and I am ready to go. All right, that's it for this video. Subscribe and like my video.